Hey guys, this is a Casablanca Panama ceiling fan in the Navajo white finish. I picked this fan up off of Craigslist yesterday and I got it for a fairly cheap price. It came with this ugly bowl light kit, which I really don't like, but I'm pretty sure it's a Casablanca light kit. And not only did it come with the bowl light kit, it also came with 5 of these palm blades, which screw onto the top. And because the fan was installed like that, the flywheel is sagging on it. You might not be able to see it that well, but it is sagging a little bit. This fan is from 1999. I think it's April 9th, 1999. I'll turn the light real quick. And it was looks like the 592nd fan that day. And there's the beautiful Navajo finish, which I really do like. It's really pretty. Has the non-concealed blade screws, which I'm not really sure I'd like better. Doesn't really matter to me. This fan came with a control, and the guy actually, I guess he bought the house with this fan, and he didn't realize that it was a very expensive fan, so I think he was actually quite upset that he sold it for as cheaply as he did. One second, let me shut the door. There's a lot of background noise. One second. My apologies for that. So, yeah, that's about it. So I'll go up here. Came with everything. The hatch is, hatch is right here. So, came with everything. But there's the light. I'm pretty sure that's all the way dim. Dim it up a little bit higher. Has the XLP motor in it. Alright. Set the camera up right. Right. Now I'll get it started off on low. And I'll shut the light off with it too. Still a great fan. I like it a lot. Don't really have a good place to put it up. It has actually a Navajo down rod too. So I found that kind of interesting. They didn't just go and buy a cheap white one from Home Depot. They actually bought a Casablanca one. More. It's gonna wobble just a little bit, but it's not too bad. But if I was ever to install it, that light kit would go. I do not like that bowl light kit. And I usually like some bowl light kits, but that one I just don't like. It's kind of ugly. But mainly it's that stupid finial. I don't like that much. It looks kind of weird. The next speed. And I wasn't gonna put on the palm blades for this video because I just didn't feel like it. I like the fan the way it is, original. maybe one day I'll get a different fan I don't really care about, and I'll throw the palm blades on and I'll film that. But that's at a later date. 4-speed. Starting to move some good air. You might be able to feel that. And 5, I think. Turn the light on. Give it a little bit of an effect. Really throws out a good breeze. I know I just filmed the other Panama before this one. But so I have almost every, well, not almost every, but a majority of Panama finishes in my collection. I have polished brass, antique white, plain white, Navajo. I'm still looking for a couple more. But, yeah. Sure, kicking out a breeze. Look at that. Wash it off. It's been a while since I used IntelliTouch, so that's kind of why I'm still confused. But if it didn't have that finial, I'd probably like it on it. But yeah, I'll stop it. Get a better view of the finish on it. So, yeah. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.